Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. This is my Friday Night Gab, and on Friday Night Gab I usually catch up from the week and see what's new and do things like that, talk about stuff. We just gab on here, and sometimes I go live, and I am not live tonight, so if you will talk to me in the comments, I would appreciate that. I like that. So I have a few things to talk to y'all about. How has your week been? My weekend last week started off with sun and warm. It was in the 80s and not hot, mid 80s to low 80s, and cool at night. And then on, I think it was Monday to Tuesday, and then let's see, it was Tuesday to Wednesday, Wednesday to Thursday, we had two freeze warnings, and it went to like 25. So I bet it's cold everywhere because I'm in the deep South. And I'm not in Florida where it's, wouldn't get that cold, but I'm still in the deep South. It's considered that. So it's been cold, and I had to get all the down comforter and everything for the bed. But now this weekend's going to be in the 70s. So it's, this is just, what do you call that? Like, is it okay to say Indian summer? When it gets cold and then it comes back to being warm again. So I like that. I like that time. I like this time of the year when it warms up again. But no, I don't want it to get hot. I just don't like the humidity. And I live in a place where it's very, very humid. Okay, Camille, we don't want to see bottoms tonight. We just don't, okay? So anyway, last week I was off on Friday, and I did do a live, and I got a flu shot. And I got a flu shot because, I want to stay healthy, okay? So I don't think I'll be getting flu shots anymore. Something happened to me over the weekend, and I don't even know if it's from the flu shot. Nobody really knows what it's from. I had an allergic reaction of some sort. I ended up in urgent care on Sunday, and it just started off with a little bit of a rash on my face, and my face was very flushed, and then it moved down here, and then it moved down to my waist. By Sunday morning, it was at my waist. So went to urgent care, and a couple people said to me, could it be shingles? I'm like, could it be shingles? I had the shingles vaccination this year. You have to have two, and I had both of them. And you're supposed to be, it's not a guarantee you'll never get shingles, but it's supposed to really be helpful. Well, I'm like, I hope I didn't get shingles. So, but the doctor said no, based on, what he saw and how it progressed, he said it's not shingles. So gave me a shot, gave me prednisone, and I have some cream. And the prednisone is gone, and the cream is doing great. I'm doing really well. It was very, very itchy, like I wanted to just tear my skin off. And it was on my neck and everything. Yeah, it wasn't good. So it's a lot better, but it's not completely cleared. So hopefully it will be soon. It was aggravating. I've had some other things go on in my life that I will not be discussing, but I've had a rough week, very rough week. So if anybody knows, what you're supposed to be allergic to, if you have an allergic reaction to a flu shot, basically it is a breathing issue. I never had a breathing issue. Thank goodness. That would have scared me. But if you have an outside reaction like I had, then you're allergic to eggs. I'm not allergic to eggs. I've never been allergic to eggs, but I haven't had an egg in a couple of weeks. So now I'm sort of afraid to maybe eat an egg, because you can develop allergies just out of nowhere. So it sort of bothers me because I love eggs. Anyway, that's the end of that. I did want to ask y'all, if you are subscribed to me and you have pressed the bell so that it's the darkest, then you get notifications when I come on air or when I'm going to go live and things like that. But you don't get notifications about my community tab, and you don't get notifications about shorts. Now, I don't know why they used to give you notifications about shorts, and I can't share my shorts on my community tab. I can put a picture on my community tab and then put like links to shorts, but that's a lot to do. So just every now and again, if you don't mind, just go check and see if I have any new shorts, because mine don't get a lot of views. I'm not expecting thousands of views, but it would be nice to have a couple views. So check them out if you can. Something to think about. And I appreciate everybody that is subscribed to me. And I understand if you don't have that bell you know, you got to hit it, like notifications, hit it a couple times. I understand if you don't want notifications, trust me, I know, because I get a million and sometimes I have to let go of them as well. So I do understand that. So what else I got going on? Oh, I have a winner. I did pick my winner for I Won So You Can Win. I did a video. It's been 2 weeks. I won 2 giveaways. I won a giveaway from Krusty Kristen and a giveaway from Makeup by Pia W. And I showed you what they sent me, and I loved everything. It was so much fun to open those things. And I used I got these bat wings eye masks that I used on this past Mask Monday before Halloween. And I picked my winner for that. And I had it was sort of like a makeup giveaway. And the winner, now this is complicated. For me, it's complicated. I don't know about if you're a subscriber and you don't have a channel, I don't know what you really see. If you have a channel, I don't know if it bothers you. But you know, it used to be like Mary Catherine Loves Cats. That's what you would see when you would see me. And you still see that because my handle is the same as my name. The same as my quote-unquote channel name. But some of y'all have different handles than what your name is. So in the comments, they put the handles. Why does YouTube change things? When things are going good, leave it alone. But they won't listen to me. I'm not in charge. But they have the @ sign. So I think it says @Butterfly Bargains. But if you go to her channel, it's Lori Dawn. So, and I do know her name is Lori. I've talked with her before. She's never won on my channel before, but she's won now. Lori, you won that giveaway. And the reason I know these things is because I had said to y'all, part of winning that giveaway was you had to be subscribed to Krusty Kristen and to Makeup by Pia W. And I gave the links for those channels, so it should have been easy to do. Lori Dawn, Butterfly Bargains, was my 3rd pick because the first 2 people that I picked were not subscribed to those channels, or they were subscribed to one and not the other. So you really have to follow rules when you enter a giveaway. So just want to make that clear, y'all. Which brings me to, if Camille, she nonstop. Okay, I'm in this fabulous collab. I like to do collabs once in a while, and there's been a few that have come up recently that I've really enjoy, and I love the people in it. And this one is the DIY Advent Calendar Temu collab. This collab was thought up by Jessie Miller Unboxings and More. She is our host. And Katie's Corner of the World did our thumbnails. And Reviews with Sue is in this collab, and Favorites with Laura, and Laura Wooten Reviews, and Miss Jackie Russell, and me. So there's 7 channels. So what we'd like you to do, just usually, you know, if y'all enter giveaways with collabs, you know how it works. You need to be subscribed to all 7 channels. In this case, there's 7 of us. And you need to be publicly subscribed. And I do have, in my video, in my description, I have a video that I have made a while back of how to make your channel, your account public. And if you never changed it, then you are not public. And that's the way it is. YouTube makes your account private, and you have to actually change it to public. And all that does is show us who you're watching, who you like, who you're subscribed to. That's all. So it doesn't show us really who you're watching. If you subscribe to me, then it'll show my name under that list. So then we can see that all 7 are in there, and then you are eligible to win the giveaways that we are doing, because we're each doing a giveaway. Here comes Blue now. So we also want you to comment on all the videos, and I neglected to say that in my video, so I apologize for that, but I do have a pinned comment. I know when we're watching a video, whether it's a 5-minute video or a 2-hour video, it's hard to hear everything that is said. So I know that sometimes we forget things, but you have to be publicly subscribed to all 7 channels if you want to be eligible to win. And then some of us have words you have to say because it helps us with the comment picker. So just make sure you look at that. And then also you have to really, if you are not subscribed to somebody and you go over there to watch their video and you watch their video and it's a 10 or 15 minute video, hopefully when you're done watching that and you like the video and you subscribe, that will hold. But YouTube sometimes decides they're going to knock you off of being subscribed. It happens all the time. And I have gotten knocked off of my best friends, people that I watch every day. I have gotten knocked off of their channels. And so there's no rhyme or reason. It's not because I don't watch people. It's not because I do watch people. It makes no sense. YouTube has their own, who knows, algorithm stuff that they talk about that who knows. But anyway, so just, this is a collab that's going to be going for several weeks. So you've got plenty of time to watch everybody. You've got plenty of time to make sure that you've answered the, or said the proper word in the comments, in your comment and things like that, to see if you know what I mean. Just to take your time. Don't rush through, and make sure you're subscribed. And then especially on November 26th, when we're picking winners, make sure you're subscribed. And if you don't understand about being publicly subscribed, just ask me right here in the comments. Or send me an email, DM me on Instagram. I'm happy to help you out. I promise you. I want y'all to win my giveaways, and we all do. That's why we do the giveaways, to thank you for being here, for being supportive of us. We want our channels to keep growing. We want our channels to do well, and we want you to be happy about being with us. So I really care about y'all very, very much. I tell you that all the time, and it's really the truth. So please, remember to comment on all the videos, take your time to watch, and make sure you subscribe to everyone, and make sure you stay subscribed, okay? And if you're new to Temu, by the way, if you've never seen Temu before, if you've never shopped there, if you want to shop there, I am not an affiliate, but in this group of 7 ladies, Reviews with Sue is an affiliate, Favorites with Laura is an affiliate, and so is Miss Jackie Russell. So they will tell you more about that on their videos, because you can get fantastic. First of all, when you go to Temu, you get fantastic deals. But if you've never been shopping before and you go and do what these ladies tell you to do, you will get rock bottom dirt, practically free things. I'm not kidding you. When the first time I signed up on my computer, and this was when they first came around. So I got 30% off my order. Now I think it's 50%. And then I was able to go on the app. I was able to pull the app onto my phone and do another 30% off order. And they know I have both accounts because they have them hooked together, and they're fine with that. But I get bargains all the time. There's always bargains. So might as well get more bargains by joining under one of these people, where you can get, one of these very nice ladies, where you can get even more of a discount. Okay, I don't want to spend too much time on that. Camille, she's got to stop biting. I don't know what this is all about. She is so feisty, y'all. I don't know if she's ever going to grow up. Okay, so that is that collab. And then, of course, I do have my usual, treasure trove is always going on. That giveaway is always going on. So if you're new here and you want to know about giveaways, I always have one going on. I have right now my Let's In Style giveaway has just come up this week. There are 3 videos to watch to see what you like, because if you are the winner, I'll ask you what you like, and I'll be sending you some of those beautiful pieces of jewelry. There is the Outdoor Tide. They approached me, Outdoor Tide. They're a craft website, and I told them I really don't do crafts, but they said that they liked my channel and when I show some things, and I'm like, well, sure, I'll try. But I'm not real, I don't know anything about diamond painting, and I'm not, I know a little bit about cross stitch, and I've done some crafting in my life, but I don't really have time for it right now. So, but that was really nice kits. Their kits are all combined and put together. So check that out, because I have a giveaway going on there. And, I think that's really about it. Oh, and also, just so somebody asked me, so I want to make it very clear. Do you hear what I live with? Silver Swag. When Silver Swag sends me a box, they don't send me a box every month. They send me every quarter, I think, is what it comes out to be. But I believe they told me they're going to send everybody the Christmas box, the December box. So they usually send it a couple of days before the beginning of the month if they can. I think the last time, when they first started this, it was back in the summer, and that box I got at the beginning of that month, August, I think. So the box that I just got, that I just showed you last weekend in October, is for November, and it's available usually till the 10th or 12th of the month. So a lot of y'all say, oh, you wish you could get that box. You can get that box. It's still available. So go check them out. I have a fantastic deal. It's in my description all the time. My deals on my links and all that kind of stuff. So go check that out if you're interested. And it would make a fantastic gift for your hostess gift that you have to bring to your Thanksgiving meal. Go check out that video. I'll put it in the description below so you can see it if you haven't seen it. It's a beautiful box. I'm telling you, every time I get that box, they knock it out of the park. Those ladies, the sisters, they just knock it out of the park. So I think that's really it, y'all. And before I go strangle my little kitty cat, so let me get off of here. And y'all, thank you for stopping by. And y'all, I pray for you all. I really do. Every day I pray for y'all. I'm asking you for just if you take a minute to pray for me and my family. And I hope you have a good weekend, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye. Count your blessings.